How's she look?
There you go.
Pretty good. All right, guys, let's light up some coal, some charcoal. Got my little tumbleweed going. Throw this over top, and we're gonna dump in some charcoal. Hey, welcome BBQ Jammers, how's it going? We've got a great show for you guys today. We're gonna be cooking up a pork loin Reuben. Yes, that is right, a pork loin Reuben. It's gonna be killer. So, we've got Steve Wheeler on guitar tonight. We also have Ryan Cobb playing some guitar. He normally plays bass, but he's gonna be doing some guitar action for us tonight. It's gonna be cool. Also, we have Cary Jordan playing the bass and myself, Will Bloomberg, on the drums. Let's get in it, people, come on. So what I'm gonna do here, guys, is I'm gonna butterfly this. I'm gonna take a chef's knife. I'm gonna go right in the center of this guy. Not all the way through, but close. We're gonna kind of open it up like a book. Like that. All right, cool. So we're gonna go in with some salt and some pepper. So here we go. We're gonna do some fresh cracked pepper and some coarse salt, sea salt. Hey, actually, you want to come over here and help me out for a second? You guys a second?
Yeah.
Can you throw me with some fresh black pepper here? You got my assistant over here, Cary Jordan, helping me out.
You gotta do it over your arm, dude.
Oh, yeah. Would you like your crushed black pepper?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Would you like it coarse or fine?
I'd like it today, buddy. Come on, we gotta go. We got a show to shoot.
Yeah. Got to do.
Apparently, Will has hired an assistant for this episode.
Cary Jordan.
That's what happens. That's what happens when you show up early.
Okay, guys. So next, we're gonna go in with some Grey Poupon, or actually basically some Dijon mustard is what we're looking for. We're gonna go ahead and paint the inside of this. And now we're gonna go in with some pastrami. So I'm using some beef pastrami here. I'm gonna layer this inside of it. All right, so next we're going on with some sauerkraut. So next we're going on with some Swiss cheese. Okay guys, so what we're doing now is we're laying out some butcher's twine, and I'm gonna line this with some bacon, and I'm gonna wrap this pork loin up and set it here. I'm gonna put some more bacon on top, and then I'm gonna do some knots right on top, some surgeon's knots. You'll see here in just a second. Okay guys, so we're gonna go in with some bacon on the top side of this pork loin. And then we're gonna tie this up with some butcher twine. Dump some coals in here, people. Woo, that's hot. All right, there we go. Sweet. So what we're gonna be doing here is we're gonna do an indirect cook. So I've got this coal corral here, and it's got a water trough right here. If you can see that, can you see that, Jeff? What we're gonna be doing is filling in that water trough with some water, and what it's gonna do is create humidity in the environment when I put this lid back on, and it's going to create, basically it's going to help the smoke adhere to the pork loin. So anyway, okay guys, we're going to throw on a couple of chunks of wood here. We got some cherry, just going to add for some nice smoke. On with the pork loin Reuben. It's going to be an indirect cook again. And what we're going to be doing is I'm going to put this lid on, and we're looking for the temp on this grill to be about 350. So we're also having the exhaust over here over the meat, so it has a chance to roll over the meat, the smoke does, and then out. So I'm gonna set this to about 350. It's gonna take about an hour and a half for this to cook, and then we'll be back. So you guys enjoy these jams. We'll see you here back in a little bit. Okay, here we go, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying these jams. Let's get into some Russian sauce over here. So this is a Russian dressing we're gonna use for our Reuben sandwich. So we're gonna use about a cup of mayonnaise. I'm eyeballing it, guys. I'm eyeballing it. Not a big deal. All right, next we're gonna be going in with some of this Heinz chili sauce. About, I'd say 2 tablespoons. And about the same with some relish as well. So here we go. There we go. Nice. Let's give it a mix. Spot on, guys. Give it a shot. Try it on your Reuben. Anyway, we're gonna get back to these jams. I hope you guys are loving it. Okay guys, we are ready to pull these pork loins. Look at these puppies. Holy smokes. Woo, they look killer. Oh my God, the cheese is just oozing out of these stuff. Oh my God, look at that. Oh baby. Hope you guys are excited. We are. Here we go. We're gonna pull them. We're gonna rest here for about 10 minutes. We're gonna start jumping into them. So here we go. Oh my God, guys, look at that. Oh, look at these babies. Ooh-wee. This is gonna be ridiculous, guys. I can't wait to tear into this. Hey, you guys hang tight. Enjoy these jams. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back. Let's go ahead and cut this twine off of here, this butcher's twine. All right, the moment you guys have all been waiting for. Let's go in for a cut. How's she look?
There you go.
Pretty good? Okay. All right. Let's go in for a sandwich, guys. Let's go ahead and cut this up. Let's put together a sandwich. All right, we're gonna go in with our rye bread, toasted, of course. Some of our Russian dressing. All right, we gotta throw this goodness on here. Oh yeah, we got to do the Russian dressing on the other side.
Hey, Cary Jordan, you want to go up there and share this one with Will?
Yeah, Cary, you want to come in, buddy?
Since you helped pepper the beans.
Yes, he did.
Well, it's only appropriate that I can fucking first dibs. I'll set mine.
All right, cool.
Sponsored by Modelo.
Sweet. So you want to get a shot of that?
I would let it get too close. Well, let me get out of the light. Sorry.
Some plates would probably be nice about right
Nah,
now.
just pick it up and eat it.
We're going for it. Here, I'm going to give you a napkin. There you go, bud. All right. You ready?
You're good.
All right. Moment of truth.
All right, here.
Oh, that was
You get yours.
Oh, yeah.
And we're going to cheers.
Cheers.
We're going to do a Sammy cheers.
Sammy, cheers.
Sammy, cheers. Boom.
Open the
What you think, bro?
No talking.
That's a Reuben.
It's f***ing good.
It's pretty damn good. That's pretty
Let's
ridiculous.
start over. It's really good. I don't want to say it.
Thank you. Oh, man.
You got to keep going.
Oh, yeah.
The first bite was just the pork loin, which was amazing enough.
Mm-hmm.
You keep going, you get the sauerkraut and the pastrami and that Swiss cheese, man.
Yeah, it really sets it off. And that Russian dressing really helps out. And the rye bread.
All the country.
Beautiful.
United Nations over there.
Yes, we got Mr.
Olympics inspired.
Beautiful.
Damn,
Dude.
dude. Good job, man.
Thanks, bro. I appreciate it.
Really good.
Yeah, man. I'm going to keep making some more sandwiches for the rest of our guests here. You guys hang tight. All right, guys, pork loin Reubens, they are killing it. You gotta try them. They are delicious. We got the rye, we got sauerkraut, we've got the pork loin, we've got all the flavors just jamming with this thing right now. So who we have? Who's the next victim coming up?
We got Martine and Eli.
We got Martine. We got Martine over here. We got Eli. We have a newcomer. What's up, dude?
Thanks for having
You
me.
excited?
I am.
All right, all right. I'm gonna hook you up, bro. That Cary Jordan brought his buddy over here tonight. Wanted to come hang out and see what the show's all about. So, without further ado, you guys just
Reuben's
grab one and
Reuben.
go for it. Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Martine, jump in there.
Go for it, dude. You're good. What do you think?
It's good.
Not too shabby? It's a pork loin Reuben. Nice,
Is it
nice,
fire?
nice.
Is it fire? Yeah. Slapping?
I need another one for the road.
New, oh, yeah, we're gonna
Steve would say
go.
busted.
Hey, actually, we're gonna give him the shirt tonight too for being an amazing guest on the show.
appreciate
So
that.
yeah, bro, absolutely.
Thank you.
What do you think, Martine?
Incredible.
Is it pretty good?
Funky flavor. It's, man, it's
Yeah, I did
so
some.
good.
I ended up doing some cherry wood on there for some smoke, so that worked out pretty well. Really super happy with this. The cook turned out really well. And what do you think, Ryan Cobb? You want to come in? Come on, man.
Ryan Cobb, James Salzer, come on.
James Sauls, you want to come in?
All right.
Well, dude, what's up, brother?
Appreciate the invite,
Dude, thanks
man.
for ripping
Really
on the
excited
guitar
to try
tonight.
these sandwiches.
Oh yeah, dude, come on in.
Ready for another one.
Come on, just grab whatever one you like.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Let me know when I should jump back in the line.
Get in there, James.
I got more coming.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
All right, here we go, boys.
Go for it, man.
Look at
Give it a
that.
shot.
So interesting.
It's totally different.
These flavors are so
There you go.
interesting.
You gotta unhinge the jaw a little bit sometimes.
That's amazing.
Awesome, dude. Thank you.
Can't say I've ever had a Reuben before, so I don't know what to compare it
Really?
to, but
Oh, well, good.
it's amazing.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it, dude. And thanks for being here too, man. I really appreciate you
Appreciate it,
being
man.
here.
Thanks for having me.
What do you think, Salzer? You like it?
Wonderful.
Is it wonderful? All right, guys, we got another wonderful. Hey, thanks so much, guys, for joining us tonight at BBQ Jammers. We had a great time. I'm gonna go ahead and hook up one of my guests over here. We got Eli Reuben over here. What's up, buddy? Dude, we got you hooked up with a shirt.
We got Reubens with Reuben.
We got Reuben with Reuben, and it worked out great.
Ruben.
What do you think, buddy? You like it?
Thank you so much.
Dude, thanks so much for being here tonight.
Food is great.
Thank you so much. Guys, we had a great time. The jams were awesome. Thank you, Derek Enner from Merch Company, for hooking us up with all the swag we got around here. So you know the drill. Please like, subscribe. We're going to catch you guys next time. Peace.
Sponsor us with